Hello, friends. Let's learn English with a short and fun story about Melisa. Today I will tell you about Melisa's first day at the university. Melisa wakes up early. She feels excited and a little nervous. Today is her first day at university. She quickly gets dressed. She wears jeans, a t-shirt, and a light jacket. She takes her backpack and leaves the apartment. The weather is sunny and fresh. She walks to the subway station. There are many people, but she finds a place to sit. She looks out the window and smiles. After 20 minutes, she arrives at the university. The building is big and beautiful. She takes a deep breath and goes inside. Then she checks her schedule on her phone. Her first class is English literature. Melisa finds the classroom and walks in. There are already some students inside. She sits near the window. A girl next to her says, "Hi, I'm Emily." Melisa replies, "Hi, I'm Melisa. Nice to meet you." They start talking and laughing. The teacher comes in and says, "Good morning, everyone." The class begins. Melisa listens carefully. She writes notes in her notebook. She likes the class very much. At the end, the teacher says, "Good job today." Melisa smiles. She feels happy and proud. It was a good first day at the university. Thanks for watching. If you liked the story, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.